Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup look. This is basically the look that I go for when I'm in a rush, when I just need to throw on some makeup and go and head out the door. This is basically like takes me about 10 to 15 minutes if I'm like really going, you know, and I have my makeup already prepped beforehand in the order that I use it. So this is basically the makeup that I throw on. Again, that's like my top favorite makeup look at the moment. That's really quick and easy for work or whatever it may be. So this is what it looks like. If you want to see what I use, what's going on, how I got this look, just keep on watching. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the brows first. I'm gonna take the SHEGLAM Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Chocolate. You guys know this is a top fave that I use all the time. So this is basically what I reach for on the daily, so my brows don't look wild, you know. So this is basically what I'm taking. It comes with a micro brow side as well as a pen side. I've talked about this many times, but on days like this, I don't really go in with a lip balm, but right now I'm like, kind of need one. Like when I'm in a hurry, I just go in right into brows. So I haven't plucked them in about 2 weeks, so they're a little wild. But I did go ahead and switch up my background. As you can tell, I did this yesterday. I went ahead and organized my entire room, put up the black canvas, and just kind of switched everything up a bit. So I start off by lining the upper and lower part of the brow first to get that like initial outline. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the little like marker side and start filling in any of the sparse areas in the brow. Going on to primer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the IBCCCNDC Power Grip Primer from Temu, and this is a gripping primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just take some on the hand and all over the face. This one's also like really nice and cooling as well, so it just gives me a nice like prep to the skin. Before it dries down, I'm going to take the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blurring Face Primer. This one is from the Dollar Tree, as you guys know. So I'm going to take some of that before it dries because, girl, it can start to peel up if you let it dry down. So I'm just going to start blending this in, mostly in the T-zone area. Now that everything is nice and dried down, I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Camo CC cream, which is a top fave in my collection, as you guys know. This one here is in medium 330W. It's so good. I love this product. So this is like what I reach for on the daily when I want my makeup just to look flawless. And like for special occasions, this is the one that I reach for, girl. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in. Right, there's the skin with the e.l.f. CC cream. I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. This one here is in the shade Natural. Usually I go for my e.l.f. concealer. I ended up picking up the wrong shade, so it's like really light on me. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this, especially when I'm in a hurry. I just go ahead and do the under eye and not all over the face. Also just take it on the lid as well. So to set the under eyes and all over the face, I'm going to take the AWA Studio Flawless Pressed Powder. This one here is in the shade M1. Girl, I already hit pan on this product. That's how much I use it. It's so good. So I'm going to take my AWA Studio little poof and start setting. And this like really does mattify my skin. And I really love that because I do have oily skin, as you guys know. So I'll definitely have to repurchase this soon, girl, because again, I already hit pan on it and it's new to my collection. But this is definitely not for somebody who likes like a nice glow to the skin. This is for someone who likes matte skin. So this is what I've really been into at the moment, but again, this is not for everyone. This is only if you have oily skin and you love a matte look. If you have dry skin, I don't know if you're gonna enjoy this because it does really mattify your skin. So you know, you don't want your skin to be even more dry. So, you know, it depends on who you are, what kind of skin type you have. But for me, like this has been working so well. Then I take it on a brush as well and just pat it on the outer portions of the face. So I didn't do any cream products because again, when I'm in a hurry and I'm just like throwing on makeup, I'm not throwing on cream products. But, you know, we just go straight to powder. So I'm going to take the Smashbox Halo. This is called their Sculpt and Glow Face Palette. This one here is in Back to Cali. It's the more like neutral one. Those are the contour shade, 2 blushes, and a highlight. I'm going to use the bronzer tone to throw on the skin. I had to move the fan because I'm like really hot right now. So if you hear a little bit of muffling, that's what's going on. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the 2 blush shades in here. Just like to mix the 2 and then pop it on the face, especially like towards the temples. You guys know I love me a like beautiful blushed up look. So cute. So just taking the highlight in here and also just popping it in the inner corner. So usually when I get to this part, I just go ahead and fix the brows a little bit, but you know what, they're not like too crazy right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of line them a bit. I go ahead and take my BeBella Browmination brow gel. This one is really loved, and this is usually the one that I reach for when I want to set my brows like really well so they don't move. I like to pop on some lips. Before we go any further, I do want to do gloss today, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a gloss. Go ahead and grab a gloss. So first off, I'm going to take my EBIN NY Auto Lip Liner in the shade Brown. So update on my lip liner findings. I did go ahead and find a bunch of these EBIN NY Auto Lip Liners at, well, on the Walmart website. So I did go ahead and order like a bulk of these because, girl, I cannot keep using the dark brown. Was good, but I love my brown, so I did go ahead and order like 12 of these. All right, and then I do go ahead and take my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. So good, love this color. Also the formula of this is really nice, so I just go ahead and take that on the center, and then just like take a brush, a flat brush, and pat it out. And for gloss, I did go ahead and grab this one from Temu. This is from JOLLYJOJO, and this is their hot lip gloss, which is like a Fenty, alleged Fenty dupe in the shade 05. I love this. Tap it or swipe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a wing on. I don't really do any like eyeshadow or anything when I'm like rushing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on some of the e.l.f. H2O Proof liquid eyeliner. This is one of my favorite liquid liners and my go-to when I'm in a rush. All right, before I go in with mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these lashes. These are like the ones that I'm like using right now. They're nice and wispy. Not sure where they're from, to be honest, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some glue on them. And this makeup look, usually like if I'm like going, you know, really fast without like explaining my every step, it's usually about 10 to 15 minutes, I'd say. Like, it's really quick. But and I also do have all my makeup like laid out in the order that I apply it, so it's even quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some setting spray. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Setting Spray, one of my favorites in my collection. I know it's gonna keep my makeup on. Go ahead and spray this on. I like to go in with this before mascara just because I don't like it to smudge, girl. So then I take my fan to enhance the dry down time. Pat it in with your sponge so it can dry down even quicker. And lastly, for mascara, I'm going to go ahead and take the AOA Studio Flawless Jet Black Mascara. This is the one that I've been reaching for some reason. I don't know. There's no like specific reason why. It's not the best mascara ever, but just kind of throw some on. I'm just popping on the eyelashes. And last step usually before I go is just a makeup wipe. And I just kind of remove any like makeup that's on my hair and jewelry. Or like earrings. Especially if you have like dark hair, I definitely recommend doing this step because sometimes foundation gets on it or whatever, powder. Kind of dulls the color of your hair, so I'm just taking this to clean it up a bit. All right, girls, so this is basically the look that I do on the daily when I'm not filming my get ready with me for work videos, my shorts or whatever. This is like my go-to look, and I was never really like a person that would use the same products over and over for an everyday kind of vibe. Like, that just isn't me, because I like to use my makeup and I have a lot of it, as you guys know. So this is like what I've been reaching for, and I really love the results and how it wears throughout the day. So this is the look that we're going for today. Very nice and neutral. I like just going in with a liquid liner, no shadow, some lashes. It's just quick and easy. So let me know if you try any of these products. What are your go-to products? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.